Hello, friends. Welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas.
So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic books and authors of the June month. This video will be very helpful to you. So do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with our video, but before that we have something important to tell you about.
We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book, a PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here that we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, before starting the MCQ questions, first we'll be looking at some of the one-liner questions.
So friends, let's start. The first book that we'll be discussing is your All You Need Is Josh. Alright, I repeat, All You Need Is Josh. This is an inspiring stories of courage and conviction in the 21st century of India, and this book was edited by Supriya Paul. So two questions. Who edited All You Need Is Josh? It was edited by Supriya Paul, and the name of the book is All You Need Is Josh. Let's look at the data. The title of the book, All You Need Is Josh, Inspiring Stories of Courage and Conviction in the 21st Century India. It is a collection of 30 awe-inspiring real-life stories of people bracing odds and obstacles and achieving their dreams. That is edited by whom? Supriya Paul. This book has been published by which publication? It is Bloomsbury. So three things. All You Need Is Josh, book's name, Supriya Paul, editor, and the publishing house is your Bloomsbury. If we look at the book, it contains stories of some of the unique individuals which then aim to reach those who are searching for hope and comfort during the trying times. The book includes stories of inspiring astrophysicists who wanted to walk on the moon, the first person with a disability to top the civil service examinations, a domestic help who is now a published author, an army officer who is amputated his own legs, and many other stories. Coming back, important thing is All You Need Is Josh is the name of the book, edited by Supriya Paul, and the publishing house is your Bloomsbury. Moving on. Next, we'll be talking about All Roads Lead North. This is the name of the book. I repeat, All Roads Lead North. This is the name of the book. All right, let's look at about the author and the publishing house. Then, coming to the author, who authored the book All Roads Lead North, Nepal's Turn to China. This book was authored by a Nepali writer and the name is Amish Raj Mulmi. Alright, this book is a blend of history, travel, and elegant imaginations. It offers a long view of Nepal's foreign relations today underpinned by China's world power status. It also examines the histories binding mountains communities together across the Sino-Nepali border. Then important thing, Amish Raj Mulmi is writer and the publishing professional for this book. He is from Pokhara in Nepal. This is his first book. So who you need to remember? A Nepali writer, Amish Raj Mulmi, and the name of the book, All Roads Lead North, Nepal's Turn to China, and he is also the publishing professional for the same. Moving on. Next is your Salman Rushdie has written a book or authored a book, Languages of Truth. Mark it important. Alright, what is the name of the book? Languages of Truth. Who authored this book? It was authored by Salman Rushdie. Alright, let's look at the data. Salman Rushdie is the British writer and Indian born British writer who has authored the book Languages of Truth, Essays 2003 to 2020, a collection of non-fiction essays, criticism, and speeches with a focus on his view and imagination of the change in the literature and culture written between 2003 and 2020. Who is the publishing house? Penguin Random House is the publishing house. So three things. Writer is Salman Rushdie. Name of the book, Languages of Truth and Essays 2003 to 2020, and the publishing house is your Penguin Random House. If we talk about the book provides the analytical views of the author on the evaluation of literature and culture. He explores the work of authors from Shakespeare, Cervantes to Samuel Beckett, Adora Welty, and more on. Alright, moving on. Next is a film producer, Ronnie Screwvala, has authored a book titled Skill It, Kill It. Alright, do remember, Skill It, Kill It has been authored by a film producer, Ronnie Screwvala. The co-founder of Upgrade, India's largest online higher education company, and film producer, Ronnie Screwvala, has authored the book titled Skill It, Kill It. This book is published by Penguin Random House and it will be released in the year 2021 July. The book is about the stories, failures, and personal learnings of Ronnie Screwvala. Coming back, three things. Ronnie Screwvala, author. Skill It, Kill It is name of the book, and the Penguin Random House will be the publishing house. Another thing you can remember, the Screwvala is the co-founder of the Upgrade application. Moving on. Next is Beyond Here and Other Poems. This is the name of the book that has been authored by Bishnupada Sethi. Alright, Bishnupada Sethi has authored a book, Beyond Here and Other Poems. Naveen Patnaik, Chief Minister of Odisha, has released the book titled Beyond Here and Other Poems, a collection of 61 poems written by senior bureaucrat Bishnupada Sethi. This book was published by Har Anand Publications. Alright, so name of the book is Beyond Here and Other Poems. This has been authored by or written by whom? Bishnupada Sethi, and this book was published by which publication? Har Anand Publications. Alright, the poem features in the book reflect the experiences of life, perception of death, and philosophical contemplation. The preface of the book was written by noted Odia poet Harsh Prasad Das. Alright, moving on. Next is an important book. Do take a note of it. The Nutmeg's Curse. Alright, The Nutmeg's Curse. It is a new book of Amitav Ghosh. Alright, do remember this. The Nutmeg's Curse It is a new book of that has been written by Amitav Ghosh. If we look at the data, Gyanpith awardee, that is the reason I told you this book is important. A Gyanpith awardee and a renowned author Amitav Ghosh has authored a new book, The Nutmeg's Curse, Parables for a Planet in Crisis. This book will be published by John Murray and will be released on October 14, 2021. Coming back to our questions, who is the author? Amitav Ghosh is the author, who is a Gyanpith awardee. Alright, book's name is The Nutmeg's Curse, Parables for a Planet in Crisis, and this book will be published by John Murray. If we talk about the book, this book is about the history of the influence of colonialism on the world today, told through the story of the nutmeg. It discusses everything from the global history of the oil trade to the migrant crisis and the animist spirituality of indigenous communities around the world. Alright, moving on. Then next is your monk in a murk. All right, monk in a murk, moksha in a material world with all its perks. This book has been authored by Ashok Pangaria ji. All right, as you can see the name here, Ashok Pangaria has authored the book Monk in a Murk. So let's look at the data. Name of the book is Monk in the Murk. It is the memoir of a famous Indian neurologist and Padma Shri awardee Dr. Ashok Pangaria that is set to release on the 28th of June. This book gets released after the demise of the Dr. Ashok Pangaria, who recently passed away in the June 2021. Alright, so who is Ashok Pangaria? Dr. Ashok Pangaria is a famous Indian neurologist and a Padma Shri awardee also. Do remember these two things also. The book talks of his life and experience in achieving eternal happiness and mental peace while pursuing all of his life's luxuries and professional successes. Next is the 7 sins of being a mother. I repeat, 7 sins of being a mother. This book has been authored by Tahira Kashyap Khurana. Alright, as you can see her in the picture, she is the author. Her name is Tahira Kashyap Khurana. She has authored the book The 7 Sins of Being a Mother. Filmmaker writer Tahira Kashyap Khurana announced her new book and the name is 7 Sins of Being a Mother, and this book is about the motherhood. It will be published by Juggernaut Books. This is the publishing house. This is the 5th book of her and the 2nd book she penned in the pandemic. Alright, so which is the publishing house? Juggernaut Books is the publishing house. What is the name of the book? The 7 Sins of Being a Mother, and this book is about the motherhood and the author is Tahira Kashyap Khurana. Moving on, as you can see, he is a very famous actor. Alright, Hollywood actor Will Smith has announced to release his memoir titled Will. Alright, so on the based of his name only, Will, this book will be, it is a memoir of the Will Smith. American actor, rapper and a producer Will Smith is set to publish his first memoir, that is the name is Will, in the November 2021. This book is co-written by Mark Manson, the author of The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. The book will be published by Penguin Press and imprint of the Penguin Random House. So what is the publishing house here? Penguin Random House will be the publishing house, or you can say the Penguin Press, that is also the imprint of this Penguin Random House. So Will Smith will be the author along with co-written by Mark Manson, and the name of the book will be Will. Alright, the cover art of this, these are not important that you need to remember, just you need to remember this will be the memoir of the actor, American actor Will Smith, that will be co-written by Mark Manson and will be published by which house? Penguin Random House. Moving on. Next is also important, do take a note of it. Next is Anomalies in Law and Justice, writing related to law and justice. This book has been authored by whom? R.V. Ravindran. Alright, R.V. Ravindran has authored this new book titled Anomalies in Law and Justice, writing related to law and justice. The Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana sir, has released a book titled Anomalies in Law and Justice, written by the former Supreme Court Judge R.V. Ravindran. Alright, who released the book? It was released by the CGI of India, that is NV Ramana sir. And this book has been written by whom? Written by the former Supreme Court Judge R.V. Ravindran. And the name of the book is Anomalies in the Law and Justice. All right, then if we talk about the book, this book is based on the evolving legal system in India. It explains various deficiencies in the law. It explains various deficiencies in the law which are required to be overcome so that the common man does not lose faith in the judiciary and the legal system. Who is the author of the book? Author is R.V. Ravindran. Who published the book or released the book? It was released by N.V. Ramana sir, who is the Chief Justice of India. And the name of the book is Anomalies in Law and Justice. Moving on. Next is related to Joe Biden. Growing Up Biden, a memoir by US President's sister Valerie Biden Owen. Alright, a new book titled Growing Up Biden, a memoir to be written by the Valerie Biden Owen, who is the sister of Joe Biden, the President of United States of America. It will be published by Saladin Books, which is a division of the Macmillan Publishers. So the book will be about the author's childhood as the only girl among four siblings, how her equation with her elder brother evolved over the years, and her trailblazing decades long professional relationship with the Joe Biden. So this book is about Joe Biden and her sister Valerie Biden, and this book is written by Valerie Biden only. What is the let me underline Valerie Biden. Name of the book is Growing Up Biden, and this book will be published by a division of Macmillan Publishers, that is your Saladin Books. Moving on. The next novel is The Startup Wife. Alright, written by Tahmima Anam. As you can see, The Startup Wife, written by Tahmima Anam. It is authored by award-winning actor Tahmima Anam. The book is about the dynamics of the modern day marriages in the highly competitive driven world. This book is published by Penguin House of India. Coming back, what is the name of the book? Startup Wife. Who is the author? Tahmima Anam, and the publishing house is your Penguin Random House India. She was the winner of the best first book in the Commonwealth Writers Prize in 2008 for the book A Golden Age. Alright, then moving on. Next is we will be talking about two books. One is your What is Consciousness and What is Para Consciousness. This is the fifth book of the author, and the What is Para Consciousness is the sixth book of the author. Now let's look at it. Dr. Vipin Gupta, he is the author of the two new books, What is Consciousness and What is Para Consciousness, under the project Vipin. Do remember the project also. Indian American author Dr. Vipin Gupta has written two new books around his project Vipin, that is Vastly Integrated Process Inside Nature. These two books will be the fifth and sixth projects under the title Vipin. Alright. He has already published four books. Those are What is Divine Energy, What is Present Reality, Is Present Reality is Divine Energy, and now the fifth book is What is Consciousness and What is Para Consciousness of Indian American author Dr. Vipin. Moving on. Next is Ruskin Bond has authored a book titled It is a Wonderful Life. Alright, this is the last book of our video, so do take a note of it. Ruskin Bond, author. Title of the book, It is a Wonderful Life. And this book is published by Elf Book Company. Alright. So three things done. Indian British author Ruskin Bond authored a new book titled It's a Wonderful Life, published by Elf Book Company. This book is written in a perspective, uplifting, deeply moving in a non-fictional way. It is about the joys and the positive truths to be found in the smallest of incidents that occurs in our lives. Alright, then if we talk about Ruskin Bond, it is an Indian author of British descent, is one of the India's well-known children's writers. His first novel was The Room on the Roof. His first children's book, Angry River, was published in 1970s. Alright, he has also been awarded with Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan Award in 2014. So friends, that's all for the video. Alright.
So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparations for upcoming government exams. You can use the code Vikas10 to get a straight 10% discount on any purchase you make. All right, so that's all for the day. Take care.